Hey, it's Papa Drew, and we were challenged by Galleon Adventures for the 10 RV gift ideas for your RVer. We accept your challenge. We did it with a little bit of flair. Papa Drew style. I had to. Okay, cool. So, number one, the first thing we recommend for your RVer to make everybody's life a little bit better in that campsite, booze. We recommend booze. Booze is always one of our favorites. We recommend a good red. This one's called Scream. We recommend another good red and homemade bottle of tequila. Don't ask. There's a video coming out on that. There's no label. Some dude made it in his garage. I don't know if I can give you the link to that one, but woo, it's good and strong. So that's number one. Number two, what do we recommend? I'll tell you right now what I recommend. External hard drive and an Apple computer, right? Because you're going to be out there on the road doing what you got to do, and an external hard drive is going to save pictures, video, memories. It's awesome. That's what we use to upload videos and everything else. So that's number two, and it's a good stocking stuffer. They're not terribly expensive, and everybody likes external hard drives. Number three on our list for you, Masterbuilt portable propane smoker. Oh yeah, the propane smoker. This thing is awesome. It zips right up into this handy dandy carrying bag. It's not that big, and it packs a wallop. The food comes out so good. I'm telling you right now, put you in some tri-tip, put a turkey in there. Whoo! You're gonna like it. I guarantee it. That's number three. It's hard because I was a Marine. To count above three could be a little tough, but we're gonna try. Number four, we really recommend this above everything else. You can get whatever brand, make, model you want, but you need a good old-fashioned coffee maker. We like this one because it has a metal craft, doesn't break in the RV, and I can put it outside. It doesn't get cold. That's what we really recommend. Those are our 4 gifts for inside. But wait, there's more. Come with me. Let us go into our bathroom. While in the campsite, we use something that we absolutely love, and that is the oxygenic shower head. Right there. Oxygenic shower head is going to save you water, and it's going to give you a lot of water pressure. Ladies, if you have the long hair and you know what I'm talking about, go ask for one of those. Trust me. With what else I'm going to show you, you pair those two up together, you ain't going to have a problem, and you'll be able to get her done. So that's number 5. Oh, by the way, there's a Great Dane. She's thoroughly impressed with this. Cleo's doing what Cleo does. She's so impressed. So let's take a walk outside. See where the sun is. Whew, it was getting hot in there. I got the heater on. Yeah. Okay, coming up. Number 6, fire pit. So for the 10 RV challenge, get yourself a fire pit. They're awesome. They help out. But wait, we've modified this fire pit. Now I can shoot a flame 10 feet in the air. How'd you do it? Right here. Variable high pressure hose that plugs right into your 5-pound propane bottles. It's awesome. Go get yourself one of those. You too can have a 10-foot flame. So that's number 6 and 7. All right, coming out here. This is really important stuff now that we're talking about that you should really get for your RV. And it's a surge protector. I think this one's $75. We've had problems at some of the RV parks we've stayed at. Surge protectors pulled our butt out of the bacon. And yeah, it really has helped. This one's $75. It's been out in torrential rains this weekend. Downpours, 38 mile sustained winds with 60 mile an hour gusts. Thanksgiving was a little rough for us this year. Here it is. highly recommend that surge protector. The next one you want to get, ladies, now this is for you. I told you with that oxygenic shower head, you want to pair it up with this. That is a variable water pressure regulator, and you can turn it up or turn it down. So it works real good with that oxygenic shower head. You can get some high pressure coming out of there, and you can rinse out all that shampoo, conditioner, or whatever else you guys put in your hair. That works really, really, really good. Those are some of the tips from Papa Drew. The other one too is get yourself a good bike rack. I've had that bike rack for about 15 years. Couldn't tell, but I have. So that really works out good. And I think that's going to wrap it up for the gifts right now for the 10 RV challenge. And I'm going to try and negotiate that moat. That really helps out. Here's a bonus. 10. Here we go. These chairs. Go get yourself some of those chairs. They are awesome. Don't worry about that zero gravity stuff. Go get some of those chairs. You're gonna like them. Everybody's gonna talk about them at the campsite. They're super comfy. They fold up. You throw them inside the coach. You're good. You don't have to worry about it anymore. Those are some of the tips, the 10 things that Papa Drew says you should go get and put them underneath the tree for that special person. Now I gotta challenge some people. Okay, so the next people that we want to challenge are Grand Adventures, Team Terry RVing, Living the Good Life RVing, Apartment B, and Jonesin' to Travel. You guys have been challenged by Papa Drew. Little bit of flair. Let's see what your answers are. I hope everybody had a great and awesome Thanksgiving. You weren't flooded out like we were with torrential rain that was coming down sideways, and the campsite flooded, and we had crock pot turkey. But life is okay because we had booze, so it was no big deal. Anyway, you've been challenged, and I'm looking forward to seeing what your answers are. Everybody take care out there. I love you, and I'll see you next time.